babes. So we have none other than an Amazon unboxing video. So we're gonna see what this is. Let me grab a knife or some scissors. Bam. Grab a knife, see what's in this box. I love Amazon Prime. Okay, so what we got? So we got our, this is for Coco. This is her, let me put on this side. This is her ear cleaning solution. So those of you that have a fur baby, okay, you could try this to keep their ears clean. So, you know, they have to have their ears clean, their face clean, their teeth clean, their body clean like us. So, I take good care of my baby, even though she don't like me to put this in her ear. But y'all know what? She likes to lick my damn ears all the time, but she don't want me to clean hers. But she's getting them clean. Here's Earwell, and it works very, very good. I think this was like $15 at the most. Yeah. Okay, and what do we got here? These are the lens protectors you want. Just like you have to get a screen protector for your phone, you need to get lens protectors. So that's what these are. And let's see how many actually come in this box. I think at least two come in here. And I tell you, no, it's more than two, y'all. Got 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if y'all don't have any of these, get them. Because when you drop your phone, you could drop your phone on the front end or the back end. And you do not want to crack neither end. Okay. So, and these are the screen protectors, y'all. Let's see how many is in this. I hope this is the one that pick up prints real good. That's why I was, when I was filming one of my videos, I was wondering why when I turned to the front camera, it was all blurry. It was because it was picking up my fingerprints. Oh, and this is neat. It has the, has the whole kit. Okay. So I have at least, how many of these in here? 2, y'all. Let's see. 2. So it comes with the wipe and everything, and instructions. This is good quality. It's by A-Film. Okay, by A-Film. Put this. I want to put it back in. I have to keep getting, I make sure I keep a pack of these on hand. I'm telling you, because I be dropping my phone. And y'all got another head wrap. Yeah, I did. I know I keep my head wrapped. I hope this is the right one, y'all, because if this is not the right one, it's going back. Is it the right one? Yeah, baby, it's the right one. It's the right one. It's the right one. Sometimes I be making a mistake and be getting just the band, but this is the right one. I keep this out. Okay. So, and we got another Amazon package. Yeah. I'm gonna put my camera up some. Okay, so you can see me. Okay. Woo. Okay, y'all. So y'all know I love pink, and I love to accessorize. So I got, you know, on your Apple Watch or your Fit watches, you could change your watch band. So I decided to get me a pink watch band, because y'all know I love pink. I love it. And it's easy to put on. All you have to do is slide it in. And this is for Apple Watch 8. Apple Watch 8. And then of course, I got a cute, very cute, hot pink matching cell phone case. So cute. Y'all know I'm so girly girl. Y'all know I'm so girly girl. Yes, this is it. So thank you all for tuning in to my Amazon unboxing video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos. Bye, babes.